Hi, today we're just going to address some common problems or, things that could get a bit frustrating when you're writing calligraphy. So we're looking at a few double letters. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using my Oblique Pen Holder, Nikko G Nib, some Sumi ink, and I'm just working on HP Colorchoice Paper. I've just drawn in some very simple baselines here. We're going to start off with a double L. So sometimes you'll find when you're writing your calligraphy, it could look, oops. Sometimes when you're writing your calligraphy, you'll find that it could just look a bit too samey. So if you do like a double L, it doesn't always look very nice together. What I tend to do is just always make the second character a little bit bigger. Okay, you do it either with the loops or you can do it without the loops. Now I find that if I've got double characters, I tend to not have the ascender loop on those characters. You can either have it like this as well, so that's the other option for your L. I wouldn't really do that because it looks like two big E's. Now the next character we're going to do is a double S, and it's the same. If you have things that are too loopy, it doesn't always look that great. So for double S's, I tend to find the simpler the better. We'll always make the second one a bit bigger. Okay. Now we're going to go for a double E. So very similarly, make one a little bit bigger, or bring one down a little bit. So just make a very slight difference in the characters, and it just looks so much nicer. Or I believe a double E, you could just do that. So make it nice and small and delicate. So that's how I do my double E. Double T, very similar to the L. Just make one a little bit bigger than the other, and put your crossbar all the way through it. Now, a little bit of a mistake here, you don't want it going on the top of there, so you can just draw that in afterwards. I used to do my T's again like this, and I don't think it looks that nice, but one bigger than the other definitely looks a lot cooler. Okay, double R. So you can either have your R's like this, which I think gets a bit too much, or like that. Again, drop one down below the baseline, like so. Double O, quite an easy one. That's how I would do my double O's, and connect them like that. You don't know if you could really get away with that too much. It's just a bit over the top. So making it simpler the better. Again, you can just make that size a little bit bigger there. Double M's, you can make one a little bit smaller and the other one a bit larger, and just bring the bottom part below the baseline. And I would do the same with my N's. Just again, a slight difference. Okay, and that's how I do my double letters. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, like and subscribe, leave any comments below. If I've missed out any double letters or even words of double letters that you want to learn, just give me a shout. If you want to learn more, there's always my Patreon you can join. We've got weekly Zoom sessions that have been recorded. There's over a year's worth of tutorials on there. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye.